a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel and home for reality news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside this our green white green country, maybe Nigeria. Like this now, we don't come back again with breaking news. We don't come back with reports. We don't come back with updates where I would like share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the People's Democratic Party for inside Edo State, they don't begin the lament. Say currently for inside the states, there is no properly constituted local council administration, and them now they call on the federal government to make them sharply stop all allocations to the state government through the Joint Account Allocation Committee as per the ruling of the Supreme Court. The People's Democratic Party now they yarn, say the revenues women they collect are not being accounted for. The revenues women they collect are being diverted. Them now can describe the situation for inside Edo State as clear executive rascality and impunity taken too far by Governor Okpebholo led administration. And also, the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party constantly call on the Edo State House of Assembly to make them sharply recall the suspended council chairmen across the 18 local councils so that governance at the grassroots level go fit resume peacefully. Meanwhile, the countryman wey dey go by the name Dr. Tony Azegbemi, and he na the chairman of the Edo State People's Democratic Party Caretaker Committee. As this man now dey give briefing, as they give updates to Tori people for inside Benin City, Edo State, he can express in displeasure. He can yarn say the unhealthy situation in Edo State, they give him joy at all. And according to the PDP chairman, he say once again it don become necessary something to draw the attention of the public and other stakeholders to the ongoing constitutional crisis and extermination of constitutional democracy for inside Edo State by the Okpebholo-led government. And the development so don't cripple local council administration and it don't place Edo State on the brink of an unprecedented crisis, chaos and anarchy. Oga Tony now they call on the Attorney Generals making sharply stop all allocation to the state governments through the Joint Account Allocation Committee as stipulated in the Supreme Court ruling. Aina de Yan say the local council administration now they non-existent for inside Edo State because of the illegal actions of Senator Okpebholo, who be governor of the state. According to how the talk they come aside from the mouth of Dr. Tony, he says since the illegal suspension of the duly elected chairman, over 30 billion naira has been sent to the local councils under the control of the state government. And Senator Okpebholo, will be governor of Edo State, he now they share the money among party leaders. And currently for inside Edo State, there is no approved budget in any local council. But these men don't continue to spend funds, they don't continue to spend money illegally. And it no even occur to them to make them follow due process in the execution of contracts plus the purchase of transformers and organization of events them. And they say over the last 3 months, the government of Senator Okpebholo don't stop salaries from the duly democratically elected chairman plus vice chairman plus secretaries plus supervisory councils plus special advisors and even special assistants. And currently for inside Edo State, there is no payment of salaries to elected loyal councillors across the 18 local councils of the state. Normally, as Dr. Tony Azegbemi yarn all these levels finish, the Edo State government, as they hear them, they guys respond. And their response, my good people, if it surprise many for inside Edo State. Say Oga Fred Itua will be the chief press secretary to the Edo State governor. In a come aside, they dismiss the claims where the PDP chieftain drop. In a the yarn, say the security and well-being of Edo people, they remain the utmost priority of Senator Okpebholo, the governor of the state. And it no go allow politically sponsored violence to take root for inside Edo State. Anyhow, this informate be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another report for my table like this where I need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, it gets one video where last surface online for inside last weekend. And this video they show a senior Edo State government official and they go by the name Kelly Okongbowa. For side this video, this man so they spray money. In the carry money, they rob for strippers their body for private party where this man attend. Normally, my good people, the Central Bank of Nigeria no dey against anybody having fun. The Central Bank of Nigeria no talk say make nobody catch cruise for inside dis our green country. The Central Bank of Nigeria no talk say make nobody party for inside we nation Nigeria. But the CBN Act of 2007 dey forbid the abuse of Naira notes. And dis abuse dey include spraying of the Naira and stepping on or mishandling the Naira. Now if e be say you dey spray money anyhow for anywhere, whether na party or whether na for inside your house, that na offence. Or if e be say men observe you as you dey step on the Naira or you dey mishandle our Nigerian currency, that na abuse. As I'm talking to you right now, good people, operatives of the Benin Zonal Directorate of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, no be EFCC, they don last arrest the countryman wey dey go by the name Kelly Okongbowa, popularly known as Edo State, sake of the alleged abuse of the Naira. Now, according to one statement wey dey issued on Monday, wey be the 17th day of March for inside this year, 2025, and this statement was issued by one countryman wey dey go by the name Dele Oyawale. Na EFCC, their head of media and publicity, na him come outside now dey yarn say Oga Kelly Okongbowa has been taken into custody sake of the video wey go viral. And for that video, men observe as Oga Okongbowa dey spray money anyhow as im dey mutilate the Naira notes for one bar like that on the 9th day of March for inside the year 2025. And before the arrest last come board, Oga Kelly Okongbowa dey serve as the coordinator of the Edo State Public Safety Response Team. But sake of one or two, the Edo State government don suspend that agency. But on top of arrest, so the EFCC dey yarn say last they go carry out investigations. And if dem find out say last in dey guilty of the crimes, in dey guilty of the alleged abuse of the Naira, they go charge am to court. And violators, men wey abuse the Naira, dey risk a 6 months prison term and a fine. But most times, they go pay the fine and they go still lodge for prison for 6 months free of charge. And normally, good people, no be only the senior Edo State government official wey be Kenny Okongbowa go be the first person to receive this kind punishment. And men don see reasons to believe say he no go be the last person to receive the punishment. Now men don already observe say last if you spray money anyhow or if you step on the Naira, if you abuse our Nigerian currency, EFCC dey come for you. Upon say men already know these levels, men still dey violate, men still dey abuse the Naira. But however, good people, anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. Now we be reality latest gist. Now they like give una reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside our green country, maybe Nigeria. So if you be say you like this informate and you go like to receive more, sharply make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell so that as we bring more news they come your way, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp.